What is the secret sauce to wealth with ChatGPT? It's all about understanding its potential and learning how to wield it like a pro. Whether you're into content creation, copywriting, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or even the thrilling world of stock trading, ChatGPT has your back. But here's the kicker: you can combine these strategies to create a real money-making powerhouse. In this video, I'm going to reveal some brilliant ways to merge these different approaches and maximize your earnings with ChatGPT. You'll be amazed to discover that some of these channels are pulling in a whopping 6 figures every single month. And guess what? I'm about to unveil the magic behind integrating AI with ChatGPT so you can replicate this success. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell because this is going to be a game changer. Let's dive right in. Unleashing profit potential. Before we get started, I want to show you the potential. Take a look at this channel called Top Tech Now. This YouTube channel has over 202,000 subscribers and specializes in product reviews from various platforms, like Amazon. They don't show their faces, opting for images from diverse sources. They've achieved notable success through affiliate marketing and content creation, two strategies we discussed earlier. The channel garners millions of views on videos such as 5 Best Bluetooth Speakers, 1.5 million views, 2019, and Top 5 Best Bluetooth Speakers 2020. Their consistent content on speaker reviews hints at a profitable niche, likely yielding substantial income. Their monetization strategy involves linking to Amazon products in their descriptions. Additionally, they earn over $7,000 monthly from YouTube ad revenue alone. Considering the tech niche's higher CPM, cost per mil, they could be making up to $14,000 per month, doubling their earnings. So, let's create a channel that does something similar. Step 1. ChatGPT scripting magic. Our journey begins with getting you set up on ChatGPT, but don't worry, it's a breeze. After you've registered, your mission is simple: harness ChatGPT scripting prowess for your video. To kick things off, fire a specific question at ChatGPT. For instance, you might ask, "Can you provide me with a list of the top 5 Bluetooth speakers?" It's worth noting that the free version of ChatGPT contains data up to 2021. If you crave fresher insights, you have options. You can either explore ChatGPT 4 or roll up your sleeves and delve into some personal research. For our demonstration today, I'll be using the fantastic 5 speakers that ChatGPT's free version has generously offered. Then, brace yourself for the real magic. I'll ask ChatGPT to alchemize this data into a complete YouTube script. Voila! You'll witness it transform into an engaging script complete with an introduction, a discussion of those 5 speakers, scene suggestions, and even a slick outro. Step 2. Craft your video within video. When it comes to bringing your ChatGPT script to life, there's no better sidekick than InVideo, an AI-powered video creation tool that'll make your journey a breeze. InVideo packs a punch with its array of features: over 6,000 templates, free video sharing, videos up to 40 minutes in duration, a treasure trove of 3 million plus standard media items, and the piece de resistance, automated text-to-speech. To start, you can dip your toes in the water with their free version. Just find the link I've conveniently dropped in the video description below. Once you've built your confidence, you can consider leveling up to one of their paid plans, offering a plethora of extra perks. With a paid plan, you'll bid adieu to watermarks on your videos for YouTube. The unlimited plan takes things up a notch, offering unlimited exports, a generous 40 removable backgrounds, and a safety net in the form of a 7-day money-back guarantee. Keep in mind, though, if you're planning to export your masterpiece to YouTube, you'll need to unlock this feature by upgrading to a paid plan. Once you've boarded the InVideo train, you'll face a delightful decision: text-to-video or pro video creation. For today's adventure, we're choosing pro video creation in a landscape format. Got a snazzy logo you'd like to flaunt? You can do just that by clicking on the logo icon here. No logo? No problem. Simply close the window by clicking the cross. Now, let's hunt for the media that'll make your video pop. Type in relevant keywords like wireless Bluetooth speakers to unearth a treasure trove of videos and images. Pick the perfect video to kickstart your video and click on that inviting plus icon to weave it seamlessly into your creation. Step 3. Adding an AI voiceover. Time to give your video some vocal cords. Click on the voiceover button and take a journey into the world of automated text-to-speech. Now, scurry back to ChatGPT and whisk away that first sentence, dropping it right here. The real kicker? You get to choose your virtual orator from an array of voices. Go ahead, experiment with a few to find your perfect match. Personally, I've got a soft spot for Nathan's voice. A quick tap on Generate Voiceover, and within moments, it's all set. Hit play to give it a listen, and if it tickles your eardrums in all the right ways, click on Add to let that voice join the party. Now, let's shuffle that cursor to the finish line of your speech, rinse, and repeat for the next sentence. One more time for the third sentence, and presto, your intro's all dressed up and ready to shine. Step 4. Presenting the products. With our captivating intro in the bag, it's time to unveil our first star, the JBL Charge 4 speaker. Now, sourcing images for this gem is a breeze. You can pluck them from Amazon or Google. The trick here is making sure you've got the right snapshots. Personally, I love sprinkling in some lifestyle photos to keep things visually interesting. Once those images are snug in video, simply click on the plus icon to add them to your video canvas. Don't forget to tweak their dimensions to make sure they slide seamlessly into your masterpiece. Now, let's give our star a proper introduction. Tap into the text icon and pick your favorite style. Slap on the product's name and let your creative juices flow by playing around with fonts, sizes, colors, and more. Next, our trusty script from ChatGPT takes center stage yet again. Copy, paste, you've got the hang of it from our video's intro. Rinse, repeat, and continue this smooth process until you've showcased all your fantastic products. Step 5. Setting the mood with music. Now, for that final flourish, let's add some background music to give our video that extra zing. Head on over to the music icon on the left, and you'll find yourself spoiled for choice with a treasure trove of tunes, each with its own mood and genre. Personally, I like to keep the vibe positive and uplifting, so I'm diving into the happy selection. Once you've got your musical match, a simple click on the plus icon drops it right into your video. To ensure your melody kicks off from the get-go and keeps the rhythm till the curtain falls, just stretch out the music track accordingly. Of course, you'll want to fine-tune things to perfection. A quick visit to volume and fade lets you dial down the music volume, ensuring your voice remains the star of the show. It's all about finding that harmonious balance. Let's have a look at what we've created so far.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Bluetooth speakers, and I'm going to share with you the top 5 Bluetooth speakers you should consider for your next music adventure.
Step 6. Exporting the video. Alright, you've crafted a fantastic video, and now it's time to share it with the world. Head on up to the export button located snugly in the top right corner. Here's where things get real. You'll need to consider upgrading to a paid plan for that final touch. By doing so, your video will shine watermark-free, ready to dazzle your audience when you upload it to YouTube. Step 7. Fueling your earnings with affiliate magic. Now, let's turn those views into revenue. It's as easy as signing up for Amazon Associates, a simple 3-step process. First, sign up. Second, recommend products. And third, watch the earnings roll in. You can pocket up to 10% in commission on products you promote. Once you're an Amazon associate, you'll gain access to the Amazon site Stripe. Here's where the magic happens. When you spot a product to promote, like those fantastic wireless Bluetooth speakers, click on Get Link up top and choose Text. This will conjure a link that you can seamlessly slot into your video descriptions. When your viewers click on these links and make purchases, the commission fairy waves her wand, and you earn money. With a substantial viewership, this can lead to substantial online earnings. Step 8. Crafting click-worthy thumbnails. Canva boasts a treasure trove of free thumbnail templates that you can effortlessly tweak to your liking. It's your ticket to creating eye-catching, professional-looking thumbnails that practically beg for clicks. After all, thumbnails are the gatekeepers to your content, so make them magnetic. Remember, the key to success here lies not only in your thumbtastic designs but also in your video creation wizardry, especially within video. Step 9. Sharing your masterpiece on YouTube. You've reached the pinnacle, it's showtime on YouTube. But before you hit that publish button, let's fine-tune your strategy for maximum impact. First, optimize your video for discoverability. Craft a captivating title infused with keywords that speak to your audience. Your video description is prime real estate. Use it wisely by adding Amazon affiliate links and juicy details about your featured products. With each click on your strategically placed affiliate links, your income potential grows. Keep feeding your channel with quality content and consistency, and you'll be building a thriving YouTube empire and a steady stream of online income. In closing, the path to success in the world of online income generation through YouTube is laid out before you. Are you ready to embark on this journey and share your thoughts or questions about the process? Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on more valuable insights and strategies.